Hello there, my people. How is everyone doing? It's been a long time. We are back here in the village, and good news, we are with our visitors. They're really grown up. This is a surprise. First thing first, let us disinfect and see how our guests are doing over here. Hey! Our guests are really hungry. It's lunch time, guys. You can see them. They're really grown. Wow. Everyone is active, in good health, good condition, guys. I can't hide my joy. I'm back to the village to check on them, how they are faring on. As you can see, it's lunchtime. And they know who feeds them always. Wow. Dakitim kaka nitimo gapile gacha. Ikongi arrange feeders. You are bringing trouble here and with traffic. Yeah, feeding them is not easy, guys. The number has grown and everyone is angry. You can see competition is high. Wow, they've really grown so fast. Today, unafaa uarrange feeders kwanza. Hivi you are bringing traffic. Guys, it's feeding time, and you can see how everyone behaves when it comes to food. I'm really surprised because they have really grown so fast. I wasn't expecting this. They have grown so fast. Let everyone get a portion. Everyone must get a portion. Hizi feeders zingine zinatumika hizo za mbao. Hizo. Yenye umebeba. Hizi hapo ziunda vizuri. Nenda kwa kati kimatutonge. Yeah, let everyone do that. Oh, some are outside. Get in. Watu wengine waingie wakule. It's feeding time. Surprise from the village. How they are faring on well, guys. They are very healthy. Like they are eating so well. They are being taken good care of, and you can see the retail, like everyone is active. Tafuta fida ingine uweke hapa kando. Some are outside here. Kauma, makonje makuyudichemo. Oseru mokanya. Kuna wengine hawaja access. Kete korot kota. Chere korot. Hapo. Tungaji gore. Nasu, maji unaweka nje. Tunafaa uweke maji karibu.
Maji unaweka kwa wapi?
Na huyu mwenye ako wengine wako nje. Yeah, guys, everyone is enjoying a portion. Oh, they have really grown so fast. Get in, you can see some are still outside. Mbona wanaogopa kuingia? Are you getting the rhythm? Yeah. The sound. Everyone is busy eating. Busy eating. My viewers, if you want to enjoy this type of farming, it must be a passion from you, from inside. You must love it. Love what you are doing so that you enjoy doing it. You see, like right now, I feel so good seeing them the way they are acting, jumping up and down, feeding so well, taking their time to eat and enjoy the meal. This is what happens when they are angry. Acha ingi. Ingia kuna ingine imebaki. Yeah, you can get the rhythm. Everyone is busy eating. And the clean water is just next to them here. So you eat, you enjoy your water. Leo wamekula. So guys, it's fun. It's really fun. It's hot in the village. The sun is really hot. Let's go and check on our layers how they are doing over here. Hey, kienyeji usabedo madongo nanje. Tunaenda. Yeah, our layers are over here enjoying the cool shade. It's been a while. I've really missed them, and I can see I have a lot of eggs, guys. There are eggs all over. The big monster eggs are all over. Peter, iko wapi tray? Kwani hamjaokota mayai? Na sisi punjika, that is the big monster eggs, guys. You can see them all over. Magyo kunyal sodo man malogi. Busy checking their lunch. Unafanyanga hivi kila siku ama ni leo? Amjaokota? Wacha baba. Oh, umepata mayai. Wacha. Kuku itakula. Aya, twende tuokote huko. Yeah, we can see eggs all over. They're giving us many eggs on a daily basis. Wacha. Later. Here, Peter. Ogolo kanyuma. Twende baba. Let's go. Yeah, our layers are busy enjoying their feeds. Kuja. Kuku itakukula mkono.
So like hapa ni maswapa kila kesho. Sitapata mayai hapo, napata hapo.
So you mark. Venye tulikuwa tuna mark mingi. Unakumbuka?
Nasema nataka leo kila kesho sipati.
So what you do? Unaona venye hapa ni mbili. Weka mark mbili hapa na marker pen. Hapa utaweka mark moja. Hapa mark moja, hapa mark moja. Hapo mark mbili. Hivyo hivyo. So at least we want to identify the ones that are not giving us eggs on a daily basis. We take them to the market. That is the main reason we have to keep delaying to collect the eggs all the time or every minute. We want to identify the ones that are not productive into the farm. They're just eating.